Welcome to the DVD extra, which is me with the camcorder. I was trusted with the video camera, and it's just pretty much some of the rehearsals that I took, that I videoed, and the get-in, so should be fun.
And how do you feel about Rent?
Is this the DVD?
Yes.
It's lovely, I've enjoyed every minute of it.
Honestly?
Yeah. For once. Until today I've enjoyed every minute of it.
Are you anyway nervous?
No, not at all. Totally confident.
So how's rehearsals going at the moment?
They're good, they're going really well. We're just about to do a run through. As you see, Sue's doing all the costumes.
Just finishing off.
Pants there.
Yeah, just finishing off. Last little things to do.
What would be your favourite part of Rent as the whole production?
Well, of course, the dancing, me. I don't know really. It's all good, isn't it?
Yeah.
Isn't it?
Difficult ones, though. Very.
Yeah, it's all good.
Some of the big numbers.
We haven't seen it properly yet, so I'm looking forward to seeing it today.
Thank you very much.
You've got to go now.
I know.
Off you
Quick.
go.
Bye. So Adam, how do you feel about Rent?
I think it's coming along quite well. This is my one of my costumes.
One of your costumes?
Well, I've got that with the jacket. I mean the fur one. And then some papers on philosophy and technology.
Interesting. Very interesting.
Ooh, who is this?
It's Hannah. So, are you nervous about your first production?
Yes, quite a bit.
Why?
It's my first production.
Yes. Rianne, how do you feel about Rent?
Oh, look who else has arrived.
Ask me that question in the morning.
Frankie and
The Beatles have
Camilla!
arrived. Late.
How do you feel about Rent, Frankie and Camilla?
It's amazing.
Is it the best show ever?
Yes.
You're late, girls.
So Rianne, give us a smile.
It's morning.
So Mark, are you stressed? Are you feeling okay?
I'm not stressed at all, I'm absolutely fine. Never
You
get
sure?
stressed a week before the show. Ever.
Never?
Never.
So,
No.
is there going to be any shouting from Mark?
Probably not, depends how quiet you are.
Okay.
What's your
Well,
job, Mark?
Yeah, what's your job?
I'm the stage manager.
Stage manager.
To make the whole show look smooth and nice.
Oh,
That sounds better than what I actually do, doesn't it?
that sounds fun.
Yeah.
I'll leave you to it. Hello.
It's Beth and John.
How do you guys feel about Rent?
I feel like we're not quite there yet. We will be by
Not.
Thursday. Might be terrified because it's the first time.
We're there.
And are you
The first time Sarah's watched the play today, and we go on Thursday.
are you the lighting designer?
I am, yes.
Good.
How's that going for you?
Well, having just discovered the cues, it's quite scary because I haven't had a lot of time to do anything about it. But I shall try my best.
Very good. Well, keep up the good work. So, how do you feel about performing in Rent?
It's good, but I don't know any of the music.
Well, isn't that helpful?
Very.
Do you want to play something? No. Play something that you. What's your favourite song
What's my favourite song of what?
of this show?
Rent. I like the minutes track. 625,900 million.
Do you want to play that?
I can't play it by myself. I need all the music. But yeah, Rent is good.
Great.
Beth, how are you feeling about the show 1 week before?
Pretty damn nervous. Yeah.
Why?
I don't know. I mean, it's all coming together, but it's just, being on stage. It's the biggest role I've ever had. So, yeah, it'll be alright though.
How does it feel that it's the last one you're going to do?
Oh, it's so sad. Oh, I'm going to cry so much. Nothing new, but still. I'm going to be so upset.
So, guys, how do you feel about Rent?
It's great. It's brilliant.
Having fun?
Very exciting. Rent is amazing.
Yeah.
Woo. I'm looking at Beth. Go Rent.
Yay.
Anyway, guys, speeding it up a bit, how do you all feel about Rent? Do you want to say any goodbye messages? Oh, hang on. How's rehearsals going at the moment?
Well, okay.
Okay, My team's going to win. Oh no, they're not. Go Cheryl.
Beezies for life!
Guys, are you excited for Ren?
I'm absolutely over the moon.
Me too. Oh, what's up there? And these are Beth's Dog Martens.
Sexy!
Pardon?
They're going pretty well, I'd say.
Bouncer as well. Are you excited for the show?
I'm absolutely buzzing.
Buzzing, me too.
As a bee.
What do you think about the part Joanne?
I think she's very difficult. Or I think she's the most boring character, but she's the most difficult character to play, I believe. And she's just, you know, so. But
I would agree, but I don't think she's boring.
Break it down. Oh, should we all sing a Red song? So long, farewell, happiness, goodbye.
On the camera, amigo. Hi, John. It's John.
When she appears. Remind me, please, when Leanne appears. I need to do
How are you
voice
feeling,
note,
Beth?
voiceover.
How am I feeling? Very, very, very excited. I actually didn't sleep last night. I was so excited and nervous. And I was doing We're Okay in my sleep with my phone, and I was whispering it. My sister was like, "What are you doing?" And I brought my jogger.
I'm extremely excited about the show. It's only in about, 2 days now? Should be very good. We've got most things sorted, very prepared and ready to go, but we just need to sell a few more tickets and then we'll be sorted.
How does it feel to play a principal role in production after 3 years?
Feels good, but I'm, quite nerve-wracking. I mean, I might forget my words or I could fall over at any point. That would be quite an achievement.
You said you were your doors on camera.
See you later.
Excuse me, Harry.
Oh, it's great to be in the theatre. It gives you a real buzz.
Yeah, I can tell by your expression. How does it feel like it's your last show, Dan?
Well, it's going to be really sad, but it's going to be really special as well, so I'm really looking forward to it.
It's going to be the best one yet?
Oh yeah, definitely.
These are our jamming sandwiches, but they're quite crumbly. We're not supposed to be eating crumbly food. What's the time?
Well, it's got to be close to midnight.
My body is talking to me.
It says time for danger.
Somebody's gonna commit a crime.
Be the cause of a fight
I'm gonna put on a tight skirt.
and flirt with a stranger
I've had a nap.
from way back. Once I learn the games, get up, life's too quick.
I know someplace sick.
Well, this chick will dance in the flames.
We don't need any money.
She always gets in for
You
free.
can get in too.
If you get in with me, go out tonight. I have to go out tonight.
Very weird.
Fucking weird.
Somewhere, but I don't know what's hiding with my girlfriends.
I still would really like to know why I've got black. She got blonde blonde.
Well, that's obviously the only blonde one that was.
I'm a natural blonde, you see.
Yeah, so is Hattie.
Me and Dan have
Yeah, we have no packs. They got taken away.